Hi, and welcome to Pen and Pad. In today's video, we're going to draw the one, the only Pikachu. So, let's jump right in. First, we're going to grab our marker, and we're going to start out by drawing his eyes. So we're going to do two big circles. There's the first one. I'm going to come over a little ways. Awesome. And then we want to do the white of his eyes. So we're going to do another little circle inside of it. And the same thing on this side. Awesome. Now his nose is like a little triangle with rounded corners. Good. Now we're going to do his mouth, which we're going to just do like a little upside down bird. So we're going to do, or a W, I guess. Awesome. And then right about halfway where it comes down, we're going to swoop down into a U shape. And then come back up. Awesome. Of course, he's got his little tongue. Perfect. Awesome. All right, let's get his head. So we're going to make a nice round curve. And then here what we're going to do is we're going to come up and curve and then down. It's almost like an oval, but it has a point in it. Awesome. Then on the other side, we're going to have an ear that's kind of laying flat. Comes to a point. Comes back around. Awesome. Alright, so now let's bring around the face. Curve in. Then we're going to curve out a little bit for his cheek. And then curve in. Same thing on this side. Curve out. Then we're going to go straight down. Then a little cheek. Curve out. And in. Awesome. Now his ears have this black part, so we're going to go down. Down. Awesome. And then let's make this go down just a little bit further with his face. Then we work on the arms. So the arms connect right below his cheek. And it's really simple. All it is we come down and around and stop. And then here we're going to leave a little bit of a gap. Come down. And then just do little zigzags for his, fingers. For his paw. And there we go. Alright, same thing on this side. So we're going to leave a little gap. And then we're going to come around. And then zigzags. Awesome, looking good. Oh, his cheeks. Usually he has little red cheeks. Awesome. Okay, then his body is kind of funny because it kind of comes down, curve, flat, curve, and up. So we're going to come down, curve, and then stop right there. Then we're going to do an oval for his foot, little toes, and then flat, and then same thing over here, an oval. Make sure it's connected. Toes, around, and up. Awesome. Okay, now let's get his tail. So for the tail, we're going to go out, then up towards him, away from him, up towards him, then away from him, diagonal away from him, curve all the way back to Pikachu, then curve down, curve in, curve down, and in. Awesome. And then there's usually like a little brown part. We'll do some zigzags down there. Okay, so now all we have to do is we'll color in the ears, color in the eyes, the nose, and then we can pull out our colored pencils, and then we'll be done. Boom, easy. So let me color it in, and then bam. All right, and there we go. I just colored in all the dark spots, and then you're more than welcome to get your colored pencils, color him in with yellow and orange and red and some brown, and maybe a little pink for his tongue and red for his mouth, the inside of his mouth. And that's it. You got Pikachu. How easy is that? Well, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to get more great content, more great videos. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.